If you're going to calculate drive time and labor costs in the mobile app, you would want to have your techs clock in the morning. To do so, they clock in at the top right-hand corner. Once they have done that, they are able to clock into any files. To separate drive time versus actual labor time, we have geofencing. And how geofencing works is that once you are within 200 feet of the location that you are clocked into, the app will switch from drive time to labor time. In order to calculate this properly, you would want the techs to clock into the file that they're going to go to when they leave the shop or leave the current job that they're in. For example, we're going to go to this Northbridge test job. To do this, they're leaving the shop, they're clocking into the file. Once they get to the job site and are within 200 feet of the address that is listed in this file, it will then recognize that they are there and switch to labor time. Once they are done with this file and going to leave to the next file, they will clock out of the file and then clock into the next file that they are going to be driving to. Once they get to the next location and are within 200 feet, the system will recognize and switch from drive time to labor time.